At 60 years old, I look younger than my daughter's skin, thanks to the constant application of this amazing blend. To make it you will need: first, a spoonful of coffee powder. This ingredient is a powerful ally that not only revitalizes your skin, but also helps prevent and eliminate blemishes, wrinkles, scars, blackheads, and even whiten delicate areas such as crotches and armpits. The next ingredient is a tablespoon of baking soda, known for its whitening properties. Not only will it help brighten the darker areas of your skin, but it will also help you maintain a beautiful, blemish-free face. And to boost the benefits even more, we'll incorporate 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey adds a natural glow, fights blemishes, minimizes open pores, treats acne, reduces wrinkles and improves any skin imperfections. Have you ever used this mixture? Let me know if it is similar to this recipe. Mix these ingredients evenly until a perfect consistency is achieved. Applying this mixture every night for 5 consecutive days will work wonders. You'll see how you remove dead cells from your skin, renewing it and giving it a freshness you'll be grateful for a lifetime.